Model, 58-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 85 PS 280 short wheelbase, low roof MOT failure. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 173328. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 85 phosphorus monosulfide DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Starts and drives brilliantly. MOT failure on welding. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, MOT failure. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074